fitness voucher and beauty-wise gift bag. With that, may we call on stage one of our judges, Mr. Carl Aquino. Sir Carl, please join us here.
There we go. Ladies, did you guys notice the sudden rise of temperature here inside? Ibang klase, no?
Mainit na.
I wanna say malamig sa labas, mainit dito sa loob.
Oh, summer pa rin dito.
Correct. Looks like we are ready to announce the winners. Best in Risk Silhouette Babe category is Babe number 16, Maika De La Torre.
Naalala niyo ba yung outfit nila?
Siya yung red.
Risk silhouette.
Tama ba? Siya yung red na may malaking
May malaking ano sa ulo.
sombrero.
Somebody has a good memory.
Kasha yung dalawa dun sa
Malapayong na sombrero.
malapayo.
Talaga?
Oo. Siya
Grabe, dami
yun.
pa na base.
Naka super see-through.
Super see-through.
Yes, na kulay red. Next, for the hunt category, congratulations! Hunt number 4, Tristan De Guzman.
Ayun, siya naman si Patrick Starfish nung nakaraan.
Ayun!
Siya yun!
Grabe, sobrang iconic niya.
Oo, Patrick
Trending kaya siya
Starfish.
sa Facebook.
Na may pagka-magic book.
In fairness sa guwapo niya.
Oh.
Love it.
And now, ladies and gentlemen, we take a moment to look back at one of the most anticipated highlights of last week's event. We have not just 2, but 4 lucky winners for the swimwear segment. Dahil nahirapan sila last week.
Oh, so meron tayong dalawang babes na winner.
Correct.
And then another 2 songs.
Yes.
Perfect.
Alright. And so, let's go. Congratulations.
But before that,
Yes.
may we call... Oh, it's still Sir Carl Aquino.
Yes.
Oh, yes.
Alright. Yes, he's here. Anyway, congratulations to Babe number 18, Giselle Sarmiento, and Babe number 24, Alondra Aldana. Our best in swimwear last week.
Maganda na katawan din. Ano kaya secret nila?
Hindi mo
Malalaman.
yan sabihin.
Chichikahin natin sila later.
Maganda ng apps nila.
Of course, they will get sash, cash.
Dadaldal pa naman.
At nadaldal sa likod.
Dami ng topic. Hindi ko na madaldal yung
Oo, actually, ito talaga pinakamadaldal.
So may special award.
Oo.
Kaya si 23 tsaka yung isa, yung merong ano sa likod.
Yung may painting sa likod.
Sana ganyan din sila kadaldal mamaya sa interview. Alright?
Ay, tabakan natin.
Congratulations to hunt number 9, Carl Christopher, and hunt number 20, Lexar Villanueva.
May sinasabi ka kanina, El. Yung isang winner natin, may kamukha.
Oo.
Ayan.
Oo. Parang
Kumota na siya.
Kaya ito na isa sa mga judges
Kumota na.
natin. Gwapo eh, gwapo.
As a proud dad.
Congratulations, gentlemen.
Baka di na ako makabalik.
Baka last hosting ko na to. Oo.
Ayan.
Congratulations, and of course, photo opportunity. Sir Carl, maybe you want to join them in the middle? Yan, bigay tayo ng konting space for Sir Carl. Thank you so much. Okay, konting space. There you go. Thank you. Alright, once again, thank you so much, Sir Carl, and congratulations to all the winners. And now we'll be awarding the best in swimwear in this.
Now we are going to award. Yeah, we have a special
Corporate
award
award.
tonight.
Oh.
Yes, the Beauty Wise Choice Award. And with that, may we call on stage the marketing manager of JNN Beauty Essential, Mr. Chris Vecino.
Na magpapabaon sa atin ng mga products.
Ay, oo. Agreement na ito kanina.
Hindi remind lang natin, baka nakalimutan.
Sorry po, huwag mo pressure.
Yes. And the winners, guys, will take home a sash, products from, of course, Beauty-Wise, and cash. Ayan.
Exciting!
Okay, hold on. I got a lot of...
Yes, we will be choosing 2 babes and a hunk.
Oh, yes. Okay,
babes
so
and a hunk.
we actually have 3 winners. That's why I got a lot in here.
It's a little confusing for you, sige.
Okay, so we'll begin with our with the Beauty-Wise Choice Babes. All right, congratulations to babe number 22, Raven Rivera, and babe number 20, Shaila Candelaria.
Ang gaganda nito mga to, sarap sa kalay.
Bakit?
Sobrang ganda tapos sinasaktan mo eh. Ang ganda.
Parang abangan mo sila sa labas.
Sarap po ba sa labas?
Yes.
Ang ganda nila oh. Kaya naman beauty.
Ayan.
Beauty-Wise. Congratulations. Pwede sila mag-endorser ng Beauty-Wise.
Oo. I-remind lang natin yung mga hunks natin, nasa contest tayo, ha? Akala nila nasa inuman sila ngayon, eh.
Ano latest chismis dyan sa likod?
O sabi na, sumasayaw ka, Tol?
Ito mga pasimulo to.
Oo, ikaw, sumasayaw ka rin, Tol?
Ayan.
Malalaman natin kung sumasayaw sila.
May
But
mga
for
bully sa
now,
class.
yes, let's go with the Beauty-Wise Choice Hunk category. Congratulations to Hunk number 18, John Philip Ford.
Ay, wow. Ito namang guy na to, silent mode to lagi, parang cellphone. Ay, matahimik lang.
Oo, silent but deadly.
Deadly. Pogi rin eh. Ang pogi nyo, nakakainis kayo. Uwi na nga kayo, ang pogi nyo masyado. Pogi yung lahat. Sino kaya mananalo sa kanila tonight?
Ang dami gusto sabihin, no? Gusto mo ikaw nagsama ka natin dito,
Feeling ko
pangapat na
papalitan na tayo, papalitan na tayo next season.
Oo nga, eh.
Ang galing mag-host eh.
Oo nga, bigyan ng microphone na natin to. Alright, ladies and gentlemen.
And now, punta na tayo sa awarding ng swimwear.
In this portion.
Yes, and now let's call on stage to help us award our winners, Mr. Jonathan Alegre.
Take it away, Sir Jonathan Alegre, a famous fashion designer. There you go. Together with my dancing co-hosts. Isetan, our best in swimmer babe is babe number 18, Trisha Sarmiento.
Nakakaloka ka, girl! Dami mong award. Thank you, Teresa.
Congratulations.
And now, ladies and gentlemen, congratulations, our best in swimmer hawk is hawk number 9, Carl Christopher.
Ay, sorry ako.
Ayan, as a proud judge.
Sinabi ko na sa inyo, baka wala na tayong work next season, ha? Tama na.
Basta ako tumatawa lang ako.
Basta pumapalakpak din lang ako.
Congratulations.
Congratulations and thank you very much, Sir Jonathan, for awarding our winners.
All right. Thank you very much to all the Metros, men and women. I congratulate you, everyone, on, of course, making it to the grand finals. You may now exit for the meantime while our judges and the team are tabulating the judges' scores. All right. As we know, good things take time.
Thank you very much.
Thank you so much.